Walk down the aisle of any auto auction or take a look through the service bays of an independent repair shop on a Monday morning. You will see hundreds of suburban buyers making the exact same purchase decision, driven by the exact same unquestioned assumption. Millions of consumers walk straight onto Toyota dealer lots and drive away in a RAV4 completely convinced that it is the only compact Japanese crossover capable of surviving 15 to 20 years without handing them catastrophic repair invoices. That assumption has turned into a multi-billion-dollar marketing monopoly. The public's blind, unyielding loyalty to the RAV4 emblem has allowed Toyota to raise prices while handing buyers low-grade interior plastics, noisy cabin insulation, and severe transmission software gear hunting. What if the automotive market's blind spot is hiding a superior machine? For the last decade, a smaller, independent Japanese automaker has been quietly outbuilding Toyota in real-world, long-term mechanical reliability, paint and interior finishing, and core transmission design. While Toyota abandoned traditional solid mechanical designs to pursue complex multi-speed setups and cheap interior trim, Mazda perfected the compact crossover formula. Independent shop data, long-term teardowns, and consumer reliability indexes prove that the Mazda CX-5 matches or beats the RAV4 in core durability, while offering a quiet, near-luxury driving experience for thousands of dollars less on the used and new market. Today, we are tearing down brand bias to expose the mechanical truths between the Toyota RAV4 and the Mazda CX-5 across real-world practical metrics. Practical comparison number 1. Transmissions. Skyactiv 6-speed versus Toyota eCVT or direct shift 8-speed. Nothing reveals an automaker's true engineering priorities faster than inspecting the transmission unbolted from the engine block. When you look at how these two crossovers translate engine torque to the drive wheels, you find two completely opposite mechanical philosophies. If you purchase a gas-powered Toyota RAV4, your engine is mated to an 8-speed direct-shift automatic transmission. On a paper spec sheet, 8 individual gear ratios sound advanced and hyper-efficient. In real-world city traffic, that 8-speed unit has become one of the most widely complained about components on modern RAV4s. Because Toyota calibrated the transmission control software aggressively to chase EPA fuel economy numbers, the gearbox constantly hunts for higher gears. When you slow down to coast around a city corner and step back on the accelerator, the transmission stumbles, hesitates, and clunks awkwardly as it hunts between first, second, and third gear. That constant gear hunting creates high hydraulic solenoid wear and frustrating low-speed drivability. If you step up to the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, you get Toyota's eCVT planetary gear setup. While that planetary gear assembly is undeniably durable and lacks steel drive belts to wear out, it forces a major acoustic trade-off: relentless engine drone. The moment you attempt to merge onto a fast-moving freeway or climb a steep mountain pass, the computer revs the engine up to a high, raspy RPM and pins it there, filling the cabin with a loud industrial engine roar until you ease off the pedal. Mazda looked at the compact crossover segment, where competitors were rushing fragile, continuously variable transmissions or hyper-complex 8- and 9-speed gearboxes to market, and made a radical decision. They refused to build a CVT. Instead, Mazda engineered the Skyactiv Drive 6-speed automatic transmission. Rather than adding extra gear ratios that cause software confusion, Mazda optimized a classic 6-speed planetary gear set equipped with a multi-plate, full-range lockup clutch. The torque converter only operates at extremely low speeds to launch the car smoothly. Once the car passes roughly 5 miles per hour, the internal clutch locks up completely, creating a direct mechanical connection between the engine and the drive wheels. The real-world driving feel is crisp, tactile, and immediate. When you step on the gas pedal in a Mazda CX-5, there is zero rubber band acceleration, zero software stumbles, and zero engine flare. More importantly, from a long-term reliability standpoint, Mazda's 6-speed transmission carries a proven track record. It routinely crosses 250,000 miles on original internal clutch packs with basic fluid maintenance. Mazda rejected complex gearbox trends in favor of a heavy-duty, perfected mechanical layout, handing CX-5 owners a transmission that drives like a European sports sedan and lasts like a commercial truck. Practical comparison number 2. Engine architectures. 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G versus 2.5-liter Dynamic Force. If you step past the transmissions and inspect the engine blocks powering these two crossovers, you find two distinctly different engineering approaches to naturally aspirated 4 cylinders. Toyota powers the standard gas RAV4 with its 2.5-liter dynamic force four-cylinder. On paper, it is a technological marvel, achieving an impressive 40% thermal efficiency through high tumble port cylinder heads and D4S dual fuel injection. In everyday ownership, however, that efficiency comes with noticeable real-world rough edges. The dynamic force engine is notoriously unrefined under load. When idling at a stoplight or accelerating up to speed, it produces a raspy, clattery sound profile reminiscent of an agricultural diesel engine. Furthermore, as these fifth-generation RAV4s push past the 80,000-mile mark, a widespread mechanical weakness surfaces: the electronic coolant bypass valve failure. Toyota replaced traditional mechanical thermostats with an electronic water control valve. When this valve fails or develops internal plastic housing leaks, it triggers a mandatory engine maintenance required warning on the dash, locking out certain climate control functions. Replacing that valve at a dealership routinely costs owners between $800 and $1,200, a frustrating out-of-warranty expense on a young vehicle. Mazda equips the CX-5 with its proven 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G engine. Instead of chasing complex electronic cooling valves, Mazda achieved efficiency through fundamental thermodynamic design. They built the engine with an ultra-high 13:1 static compression ratio and a specialized 4:1 long-runner exhaust header. That race-inspired exhaust header scavenges hot exhaust gases out of the combustion chambers, preventing engine knock without needing to dump excess fuel into the cylinders. The Skyactiv-G is exceptionally smooth and quiet at idle, utilizing heavy-duty cast-iron cylinder liners and a simple mechanical cooling architecture that avoids high-voltage valve failures. Whether you choose the naturally aspirated variant or the muscular 256-horsepower turbo model, the Skyactiv-G operates with smooth refinement, easily crossing 200,000 miles on basic fluid changes and spark plug refreshes. Practical comparison number 3. All-wheel drive mechanicals and snow belt survival. For suburban buyers living in northern winter states, an all-wheel drive system is not a luxury. It is a safety requirement for navigating ice, slush, and unplowed highways. Toyota offers two completely different all-wheel drive setups on the RAV4. Gas models use a traditional mechanical drive shaft with a dynamic torque vectoring rear disconnect feature. While functional, the mechanical disconnect actuators have drawn owner complaints for developing clunking noises during low-speed engagements. Hybrid models utilize Toyota's E4 all-wheel drive system, which completely eliminates the center drive shaft. Instead, a standalone 54-horsepower electric motor sits on the rear axle to power the rear wheels when slipping occurs. While the E4 system saves weight and boosts fuel economy, it carries a severe long-term liability in salt belt states: the infamous cable gate flaw. The high-voltage orange cable running under the belly of the vehicle connects to the rear electric motor right near the wheel well. Road salt and slush kick up directly into the connector housing, causing severe terminal corrosion that can shut down the entire hybrid system and trigger a multi-thousand-dollar wiring harness repair bill if not caught under factory warranty extensions. Mazda equips every modern CX-5 with its standardized i-Activ all-wheel drive system. Unlike reactive systems that wait for a front wheel to spin on ice before sending power to the back, i-Activ all-wheel drive is continuously predictive. The system monitors 27 individual vehicle sensors, including ambient outdoor temperature, windshield wiper speed, steering angle, and individual wheel speeds 200 times every second. If the vehicle detects windshield wipers running in freezing temperatures while turning up an incline, the computer preemptively clamps the electromagnetic rear coupling, sending torque to the rear wheels before the tires ever lose traction. Because the entire i-Activ system relies on a fully sealed, heavy-duty mechanical drive shaft and rear differential, there are no exposed underbody high-voltage cables to corrode in winter road salt. It offers true year-round peace of mind for snowbelt drivers. Practical comparison number 4. Cabin metallurgy and interior wear at 100,000 miles. The final practical proof of how a crossover is built shows up after 5 years of daily family abuse: how the interior cabin materials hold up against heat, sun exposure, and daily wear. Inside a Toyota RAV4, the cabin is built with commercial-grade utility in mind. There are abundant, hard, hollow plastics across the door panels, center console, and lower dash trims. While these hard plastics are easy to wipe down after a muddy camping trip, they age poorly over time. As the chassis flexes over rough city pavement past 50,000 miles, those hard plastic panel seams begin to rub, creating persistent squeaks and rattles inside the cabin. Furthermore, Toyota uses minimal acoustic insulation in the floorboards and wheel arches, resulting in high tire roar and wind noise at highway speeds. Step into a Mazda CX-5, and the interior construction feels like it belongs to a $45,000 German luxury crossover. Mazda utilizes soft-touch leatherette materials across the entire dashboard and door armrests, heavy double-stitching, real aluminum accents, and dampened control switchgear. More importantly, Mazda engineered the CX-5 chassis with heavy sound-deadening insulation, carpet dampening mats, and thick acoustic laminated side glass. At 70 miles per hour on the open highway, the CX-5 isolates its passengers in a quiet, serene environment that feels miles ahead of the RAV4. Even after a decade of sun exposure and daily use, the soft-touch interior panels hold their color and alignment without developing annoying cabin rattles. Practical comparison. Number 5. Cargo geometry and ergonomics. When you leave the mechanical bay and look strictly at practical utility, the numbers on paper tell one story, but daily ownership tells another. The Toyota RAV4 easily wins the raw maximum volume cargo war. Toyota's engineers gave the RAV4 a square, boxy rear tailgate design that yields 37.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row. The wide floor pan and high ceiling make loading large dog crates, camping coolers, or bulky plastic storage tubs effortless. However, Toyota uses a traditional 60-40 split folding rear bench seat. If you need to haul long items like skis, ladders, or 2x4 lumber while carrying 2 passengers in the back seat, someone has to squeeze onto the middle seat cushion. The Mazda CX-5 trades away some total cargo box volume to achieve its sleek exterior profile, offering 30.8 cubic feet behind the second row. For large, tall boxes, the lower roofline requires a bit more maneuvering. Where Mazda wins in daily practical usability is its 40-20-40 split folding rear seat layout. You can fold down just the center section independently to slide long cargo straight down the middle of the vehicle, while keeping both outboard rear seats fully usable and comfortable for adult passengers. It is a thoughtful ergonomic feature usually reserved for expensive European utility wagons. Practical comparison. Number 6. The 150,000-mile repair and maintenance matrix. When your odometer passes 6 figures, every vehicle reveals its factory weak spots. Neither crossover is entirely immune to flaws, but their long-term repair invoices look drastically different. The Toyota RAV4 carries 2 primary, well-documented, out-of-warranty liabilities. Coolant bypass valve leak. As covered in technical service bulletins, the electronic valve housing can leak coolant or fail internally. Once out of factory coverage, replacing the valve at a dealership costs between $800 and $1,200 in parts and labor. High-voltage cable corrosion. Cable gate. On all-wheel drive hybrids in salt belt states, the exposed underbody rear motor connector can corrode. If not covered under extended warranty campaigns, replacing the wiring harness can incur a multi-thousand-dollar repair bill. Roof rail leaks. Early 5th-generation RAV4s suffered from degraded roof rail clip seals, allowing rainwater to leak into the headliner and soak interior curtain airbags. Mazda carries its own specific wear items that buyers must check. Front cover oil. Seepage. 2018 to 2021 models. Select 2.5-liter engines equipped with cylinder deactivation can exhibit mild oil seepage around the front timing cover or cylinder head casting seams, as documented in Mazda service alerts. Resealing the timing cover requires fresh silicone sealant and shop labor. Thin factory paint finish. Mazda's famous Soul Red Crystal and deep metallic paint options use a thin, clear coat that is susceptible to front bumper stone chips on gravel highways. Aside from timing cover inspections, routine maintenance on the Mazda CX-5 is straightforward and affordable. Changing spark plugs, replacing air filters, swapping brake pads, and performing transmission fluid drains can be done easily at any neighborhood auto shop without requiring specialized Toyota high-voltage safety gear or complex electronic diagnostic tools. Practical comparison. Number 7. Resale value versus the Toyota tax. The final practical truth comes down to your bank account, what you pay to buy in versus what you get when you sell. Because the general public buys into brand reputation without inspecting mechanical differences, pre-owned Toyota RAV4s command an artificial market markup widely known as the Toyota tax. A 5-year-old RAV4 with 80,000 miles routinely sells for $3,000 to $4,000 more on the used market than an equivalent same-year Mazda CX-5 with lower miles and a cleaner interior. When you buy a used Mazda CX-5, you let the original owner absorb the initial brand appreciation. You step into a crossover that offers a traditional gear-driven 6-speed automatic transmission, a whisper-quiet acoustic cabin, a proven naturally aspirated engine, and predictive all-wheel drive, all while saving thousands of dollars up front compared to a noisy, gear-hunting RAV4. The definitive buyer's decision matrix and final verdict. The reliability truth nobody wants to admit is that Toyota no longer holds a monopoly on bulletproof Japanese engineering. Mazda builds a quieter, better finished, conventionally geared crossover that matches Toyota's core durability for a far better value. Choose the Mazda CX-5 if you want a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission with a direct lockup clutch, completely free of CVT rubber band feel or 8-speed software gear hunting. You prioritize a quiet, near-luxury interior cabin with acoustic glass, soft-touch materials, and a smooth driving experience. You live in winter salt belt states and want a reliable mechanical all-wheel drive system without underbody, high-voltage cable corrosion risks. Choose the Toyota RAV4 if you demand maximum square cargo box volume and maximum rear seat passenger storage height for bulky gear. You choose the hybrid model specifically to achieve over 40 miles per gallon in stop-and-go city commuting, and don't mind high RPM engine drone under heavy acceleration. Which crossover philosophy wins a spot in your driveway? Are you paying the heavy badge premium for the square cargo space and high hybrid mileage of the Toyota RAV4, or are you taking advantage of the quiet cabin, smooth 6-speed transmission, and unmatched value of the Mazda CX-5? Drop your real-world mileage milestones, shop repair invoices, and driveway debates down in the comments section below. Let's fight it out. Hit that subscribe button to keep your bank account safe from bad car purchases. Stay savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.